Bill, I was talking to a customer yesterday about a Ford truck, an F-150. Guy had lost both of his keys. He wasn't too happy about what it was going to cost him to get a new key made. Is there something he could have done beforehand to kind of save him a few bucks and a lot of trouble?
Well, absolutely. We recommend that everybody have, 2 or 3 backup keys. It's just so much easier and less expensive to make a copy of a key than to generate a new key. We can do that, but we also have the additional option. The Ford truck that you talked about takes a remote head key. This is just a remote built into the key, as we talked about in previous videos. And we can do this as a second key, but if you'd like additional keys beyond that, we can still put a transponder key in there. Now, this key will still start the vehicle. It will unlock the truck door, and it was a good economical backup option for you that can save you considerable amounts of money when we do it while we're already on the scene making your remote head key.
So when you go and you program in a new key, somebody lost all their keys to their 2013 F-150. I guess you erase all the old keys so that they're not...
We can do that. On a Ford product, it requires 2 new keys to program in. So in your example, if you've lost all your keys, and I want to erase everything so that if the key is found, nobody can steal your truck, I have to program in 2 new keys. So this is also an economical way. We can program in a remote head key and the less expensive transponder key, erase all of the pre-existing keys, which also comes in very handy if you bought the vehicle used. You don't know how many keys are floating around to your Ford truck.
Okay. Well, I really appreciate that information. I would also like for our customers and potential customers to know that in Texas, locksmiths must be licensed, and here's why that's important. When they license you, they make you also carry $1 million worth of general liability insurance. When somebody programs a key into your vehicle, they can do thousands of dollars worth of damage. There are a lot of Chinese programmers out there, the actual programming tools, and they often cause major problems. We use advanced diagnostics equipment. We are licensed. We are insured. We're here if you look for us the next day. A lot of people get a very vague receipt after they've had a car key programmed into their vehicle. And it's hard to find that person the next day. So you want to make sure that you're dealing with somebody who's reputable, that if they're going to come and work on your car. And as expensive as these keys are, the ignition system in your vehicle is by far way more expensive. So I would keep that in mind. And the last thing that I would like to say about our company is that Bill has a vast inventory of keys on his vehicle. So very seldom do we have to pause a job so that we can order keys. I'm Roger Quartz with Rekey Xpress.
And I'm Bill McCoy.
Thank you.